Hi, my name is Jaime Perez, and I'm the Regional Marketing Manager for DJI Enterprise. I find myself together with the Drone Center at the Middle East Energy Dubai. And as you can see behind me, we bring for the first time the DJI Dock to the UAE. The reason why we're bringing the DJI Dock to this Energy Summit is because we know this solution can help energy companies such as solar, wind, pipeline inspection, as well as distribution companies. With this solution, you can automate drone inspections of critical assets, making sure you have efficient inspections and also timely inspections. With the DJI Dock, you can make sure you can inspect your assets on a timely manner and also not putting at risk your personnel on site. Making sure that you can deploy from anywhere at any time automated missions from the Fly Hub or from any third-party solution that is connected through the cloud API of the DJI Dock. If you want to learn more about the DJI Dock, you can go to the DJI Enterprise website or go to the Drone Center site to learn more about how this solution can help your business. Thank you.